In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your comments here in Google Sheets. So when you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to do some cleanup by deleting all of your comments. Now in this example, I have 4 comments in total. Now how do I know that? I can see the total comments by just going to my tab right here where it will show me the total number of comments. Right now there are 4. And if I go over that, you'll see that it will highlight where those comments are. We have B20, C8, E2, and F16. Now, if I click on it, it will show me the comment. There you go. And if I want to see all of them at the same time, I can click on See All right here. And there they are. So now that we have all of our comments present right here, now, if you want to delete these comments, all you have to do would be to click on the right side where you will see more options and just select delete. If I click on that, there we have it. Delete this comment thread, say delete. There you have it. So we have 3 more to delete. Let's just select the ellipsis, select delete, and keep going until you've deleted all of your comments. And there you have it. So how do I know there are no more comments on my spreadsheet? You would see this section right here would be empty and there will be no numbers on your tabs next to your sheet name. And there you have it. Now, once your comments are deleted, you cannot undo that. Even if you go back to your Show All Comments right here, those comments are permanently deleted. So how do we make sure that all of our comments are deleted? Well, once a comment is resolved, it will not appear next to your sheet name. The only way to make sure if all of your comments are deleted is if you go to this icon right here where it will say Show All Comments. If I click on that, you'll see that we still have a comment right here, but this is a resolved comment. So not all type of comments will show next to your sheet number. Like this one, we have a resolved comment right here. If we want to delete it, we will do the same thing and just click on the More options and select Delete. And there you have it. We've successfully deleted all of our comments here on our spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.